Hello guys, how are you? Drinking my coffee. Today I will analyze one of my students, Fiaz Ahmad, and his request was to analyze his Q action. In my personal opinion, when you find the source of the problem, you can also solve other problems in the Q action. So in this video you will see the biggest flaw in his Q action, and hopefully some of you will get insights and improve as well. Let's go. So let's take a look to Fiaz's Q action. Fiaz complained that his body and Q was moving sideways. So now we need to understand why it's moving. So he was thinking that it was, his stance, maybe it was his, upper body instability. But actually, the biggest problem for him was his wrist. He was moving his wrist way too much, especially when he was queuing up or feathering, in other words. So if he wants to avoid body movement, first thing what he needs to do in the feathering phase to keep his arm more stable without moving his wrist. In that case, he can expect much better results. So stop using your wrist and just use your wrist on the end of the backswing, not when you do your feathers. In that case, you can solve the problem. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you like it, smash the like button, comment, or if you're new, subscribe to the channel. If you want something more, I can provide you 3 different coaching programs. Mentorship, online coaching, mentorship combined with online coaching, and if you want something more, I can provide you video training courses. For more information, look at the description below. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed and see you next time.